Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today, I'm here with
Mom.
We're going to show you guys how to decorate Rodeo cupcakes.
That is going to be so much fun.
Okay, now pause. It was going to be sure I haven't done so yet. And also hit the notification button right here. And let's get on to this video. So what do we do first?
Well, first we need cupcakes. We already baked ours.
There we did.
Yeah, we made vanilla.
Yep. And you guys have chocolate or strawberry. Any kind you want. Any kind.
Yeah, any kind. Okay, our cupcakes are pretty bare. I think we need some frosting.
There we do.
All right, well, how are we going to make it?
Well, all these look good. The buttercream frosting.
Buttercream frosting is really good.
Yep. Well, all you needed to get was 3 sticks of butter,
Okay.
half cup of powdered sugar,
2.5
2.5
of
teaspoons.
vanilla. Right here.
2.5.
Okay.
And you also need 2 tablespoons of heavy cream
Okay.
and a pinch of salt.
And a pinch of salt.
Oh, and food coloring.
Green food coloring because it's going to be
Green grass.
green grass.
Okay, so that was time for me to get the butter. Now let's do this. I like baking. I actually like baking a lot. Baking.
You love baking a lot.
Yeah, it's actually one of my hobbies.
Okay, so now what do we do with this butter?
I'll do is whip it. Whip.
Whip it.
Yeah, whip it good. Or whip it back and forth. Whip it. Will Smith. Come over here. Will Smith. Now that's time to scrape. Just scraping it right through the bottom. Scrape it.
Is it time to whip it more?
Yeah.
I think we're ready for the powdered sugar.
There we are. We're ready. Now, I'll do is pour in the vanilla.
Okay.
Well, I'm mix this with the heavy cream into a bowl.
Heavy cream. All
Heavy
right.
cream.
Do you think we should go ahead and put the salt in too?
Cheers. This is great. It's my first time making it. It's my first time. It's really cool. First time. Now after all that was done, I'll do is add the food coloring. Shout out to my sister. Shout out. Now that is green grass.
So we chose this tip because it'll look like grass.
Yep. Okay, all I need to do is to scoop the icing into this. Okay, now let's put on a cupcake. This is cool. And now let's do the fun part. The animals. Are you guys ready?
Leah, these look great. These would be perfect for a birthday party.
Yeah, and also any kind of mess.
Any kind of event.
Any
You
kind.
think Dad would like one?
Yeah, definitely.
I'll go get it.
Okay.
What do we make here?
They would make cupcakes.
Cupcakes, I see. And they got farm animals on them.
Yeah.
We got drinks too?
Yeah, we do.
All right. Shall we?
Yeah.
But it's a good cupcake, Leah. You did a good job.
Thank you. Yeah.
All right, I gotta try this drink. Well done. Oh man, that's good.
Mommy's good. So thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you. And also, I would like to give this a huge shout out to my parents. A huge shout out. I want to give this a huge special shout out to my grandparents that has a farm. And also, thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you.